Hello and welcome! In this video, I'll be showing you some cute Kirby little figures. I bought these from EB Games Australia. They were $10 each. They are called on the system Kirby PuPuPu dolls assorted. That's PuPuPu. No idea. Apparently, according to Google, that is the Japanese name for Dreamland or something along those lines. Not entirely sure. They came into the store, let's see, about a week ago, so start of November 2024. They were delivered in this box. Awesome. And then, yeah, I saw these, I was like, cool, I want them. So I took the box, took it all, and bought them. There are 8 different ones. I'm only going to open one of them, just so you can see, because there's something in there. I'm assuming some sort of stand, because I want to see what it's like. They look to be flocked and furry, but they're really nicely displayed in the boxes. There's no way to open it without damage. Actually, we'll see how it opens. I might open them all. Can't really decide. But anyway, quick little look at the packaging. There is the lineup. Kirby, Waddle Dee, Meta Knight, King Dedede, Kirby Full, Kirby Star, Kirby Classic, and Kirby Sleeping, according to Google Lens Translate. Outside of Japan, these don't come with any candy or chewing gum, but in Japan I think they do. And yeah, let's have a little look-see. Does this open nicely? It does not. Disappointing. I was hoping it would. Okay, so we will just open the one, because I don't want to destroy the boxes for all of them. They're too cute for that. And actually, using a letter opener, I did manage to get it open kind of nicely, so we might. I keep jumping between. We'll see what this looks like. That will determine it. Okay. Let's adjust the camera. So they have a stand, cute little star stand, copyright information stamped on it. Then they have the figure itself, which is flocked and feels kind of furry and nice. So here we have our super cute Kirby. Absolutely love it. And then you have a stand. How do I get you out? There we go. I assume the ball goes in that side. It does. And then the rod in the back. And then it's kind of posable. Not sure. I would assume it floats over the stand like that. So, yeah, okay, that's super cute and adorable. We're going to go ahead and open them all. I've decided. Okay, let's try and keep this kind of clean. Move that out of the way. Let's move on to Waddle Dee. So we're not going to check out the packaging for all of them. So we'll push that in. And then we'll slide that in there. Try and open it as nicely as possible, because I will be keeping the packaging. Open that up. Stick that in. And stick that in. That was kind of tight. Okay, and now we can check it out. So here we have our cute Waddle Dee. Love it. That's adorable. Put that back there. Okay, we might not open them all, maybe just one of each character. So let's move on to Meta Knight. So I figure if you've seen one Kirby, you've seen them all. I'm very indecisive at the moment, apologies. Okay. Meta Knight looks awesome. Before you put the stand on, let's have a bit of a look at it. Now let's get the stand set up. Make sure there's no stray fluff before we do it. Okay, this hole's a bit tight. A bit difficult getting it in. Okay, there we go. Had to just make sure it was aligned properly. So here we have a Meta Knight, nice and fierce. Good 360 look at it. Awesome. And then we'll open up King DDD. Then I might just have a quick little look through the windows at the last four. And of course, if you want to see the rest of them opened, you can let me know in the comments section below and like the video. If I get, a decent amount of likes and comments, I will do a second video opening up the others. Otherwise, I don't think it's necessary, since they're all very similar. Okay, let's get the stand in. Awesome. Okay, here we have King DDD looking nicely done. Some of the flocking is like, it covers the color. A bit disappointing. Gives it a bit of a frosted look though. Let's have a nice 360 look at it. Awesome. If I had more shelf space, I'd definitely open them all up and have them displayed, and they would no doubt get very dusty very quickly. But yeah, they're adorable. We'll check out the designs of the others just through the window like this for now. So there we have the full Kirby, the Star Kirby, classic Kirby with the Star Rod, and Sleeping Kirby. Awesome. So those are super adorable. Let me know in the comments section below, what do you think of these figures? Like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do unboxings and video gameplay. And other than that, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, and goodbye.